Then question number B. Emotions and thoughts are interrelated. If we can identify which thoughts cause an extreme emotional response in us, we will be able to manage our emotions and the extreme actions caused by them more effectively. Now these are my feelings. Okay, what you feel? I feel happy, sad. Here they have given options. I feel mad, depressed, tired, angry, sick, nervous, aggressive, and so on. Okay, so what you feel from this, and why you feel? Because suppose I will take, I am happy because everything is happening according to me, or because I am getting what I wish. Okay, why you are happy? You can write it there. This is what I did. What did you do? Okay, this is what you do. This is how it made the other person feel. What they make feel. Okay, this is what I do. You can write. If you are happy, then when you are happy, what you do there? Okay, I share my happiness with others, or you are enjoying yourself, or you are enjoying with others. What you do? Then this is how it made the other person feel. When you are happy, others are happy with you, or others feel angry, or others feel sad, or others feel upset. You can write things I could have done. So here they have given you some of the mm, points. You can write things I could have done. You have you could have take break. You could have done some exercise. So from here you can write any four. Let us turn the page and see the next thing. Activity. Let us have some fun. From group of four, each group should try to find out to exactly similar natural things like flowers, leaves, stones, sticks, etc. in the playground. There should not be even the minute difference between the two things collected. Did anybody collect two exactly similar things? So you can write yes or no. Do you think this also applies to human beings, and how? Suppose you have chosen flower. So what do you think? Do you think this applies to human beings? You can write yes or no. And how? If suppose the flower is with white color, so uh, you can write okay, some people are very white, or some people are very pure in heart because the flower is white. Okay, so they don't make any mistake, or they are very sincere. Like these things you can write. Question number 2, fault finding. From two groups in the class, each group should name any one noun, place, animal, flower, fruit, car, etc., and tell one good thing about it. The other group should try and point out a not so good thing, limitation about the thing named by the first group. Now reserve the process. The team which cannot point out a limitation loses. Play the game for 5 minutes. Okay, so this you can write your personal thing, because these are two questions which you are supposed to do in the classroom, but since you are in lockdown you cannot do it. Did the group find a thing, an object which did not have some limitation? Okay, so you can write yes or no. Does this also applies to human being? How? Okay, here they have given some options. You can write place, flower, animal, anyone. Okay, you can write the proper name, and is it applying to you? Before also I have told you in this question. Okay, in the activity. So same way you can write here also. Question number 3. Try to write with a pen without using your index or middle finger. You can hold the pen using any of the remaining fingers. So this is already we have done in manual books. So just see it. Take a small pieces of rope and tape and tie your thumb to the rest of the finger. Now try to pick up small articles from the ground, or climb a tree or hold a heavy chair with tying finger. Okay, was it difficult to both the tasks? Yes or no? You have to tick mark if it is yes, yes, if it is no, no. Give reason for your answer. So you have to write here why it was difficult for you, why it was not difficult for you. So you have to give the answer over here. They have given you lot of place to write the answer. What did you learn about the importance of different fingers? Okay, so what you feel when your fingers were tied up, what you felt, that you have to write. Now here, famous personalities. Look at the 4 great personalities of India on page number 9 of your textbook and complete the table. Now you have got no textbook, so what you will do, you search it from the mobile or net. Okay, here they have given 4 persons name. That is, first is late Dr. Abdul Kalam, Miss Lata Mangeshkar, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. So first you have to write about their date, profession, hobbies, qualities, contribution to society, what they have contributed for the people. Then here they have given title and earned, that means how much they have earned the money. Lesson I learned from their life, what did you learn from there, or do you want to become like them? Okay, so you have to write it. Even this activity we have done. Next, discuss any other personality of your choice and the important lessons of life you have learned from him or her. Now role I play. This activity we have done already. Okay, you have to play multiple roles in your life, like that of a student, friend, brother, sister, etc. It is important for you to be aware of all your roles and their personalities. Think of all the roles you play in your life and the expectation from each role. Fill in the expectation of the roles mentioned below. Okay, what others expect from you, your family member, your relatives, your friends, your teachers. Okay, your if you are a son, what is the expectation? If you are a daughter, what is your expectation from your mother? If you are a friend, what is the other friend's expectation, that you must help him every time whenever he needs you? Sister, brother expectation. Okay, this we have done already. You can see it in your book and you can write it. The half of the part of that activity is here. Now let us see the next one, my identity. Children, I am just telling you what you have to do. This is your activity. So just read all the questions and write the answers correctly about yourself. Write a poem about yourself in the format given below. Feel free to express what you think and feel about yourself without worrying about the rhyming words. Now my profile, you have to stick over here. They have given you one box. In that you have to stick your photo and then point myself. Okay, myself, your name. I am so and so person. You have to write I am Ankita, I am Shubham, I am Grace, or I am Atharva. You can write like that. Your parents, of child of so and so person. Your father's name you can write. Your brother, sister, sibling of, okay, sibling of 4. Okay, then you have to write the your father, your sister and brother's name. 2 traits that describe you. I have or I am. What you are, you have to write. Next, 3 things you like. I like. What you like, you have to write. What you dislike, you have to write. I am scared of, with what you are scared. I hate something. What you hate. What you want. What is your dream. I am determined to. I am proud. Okay, everything you have to write here. Then my own self report. They have given your knowledge, skills, attitude, social, concerning parents, school, relatives. Okay, you have to write your strength, or I need to improve. First one I will tell you, knowledge, my strength. Okay, where you are good. Suppose I am very good in my study, that is my strength. where you need to improve. I must improve my handwriting, or I must improve my writing speed. Okay, so like this way you have to write, and the half part of it is here. Okay, and then they have given weightage percent 10. Okay, this I will be completing. This you no need to complete. If you don't understand anything,